Have you ever found yourself drifting on the softest edges of wakefulness, where the bustling world outside begins to dissolve and a new inner stillness starts to bloom? It's a gentle, almost imperceptible transformation, isn't it? This quiet unfolding of the self as it prepares for its nightly voyage into the deep, tranquil seas of sleep. Even before we fully surrender to slumber's profound embrace, there's a curious, continuous slowing that begins within the intricate pathways of our bodies and minds, a silent dimming of the bright, sharp edges of awareness, a subtle reweaving of sensations that hints at a profound, yet often overlooked, magic residing within us. We slip from the active, defined contours of our busy day into a landscape where the familiar rhythms of waking life become wonderfully pliable, like soft clay beneath a potter's gentle, shaping hands, ready to be molded by the quiet currents of rest. Consider for a moment the common, wondrous miracle of deep sleep. It is a state of profound physiological rest, where your breath deepens, your heart rate slows its steady beat, and your muscles release their hold, becoming soft and yielding. In this precious embrace, your body performs its silent, essential work of repair and restoration, mending the subtle wear of the day, replenishing its precious stores of energy, and consolidating the delicate threads of memory. While your conscious mind may feel utterly absent, drifting in realms unknown, a vast, complex symphony of biological processes continues, unseen and unhurried. This is not idleness, but a deeper, more profound form of activity, a quiet, continuous hum of life, diligently working to sustain your very being. Think of an ancient, tranquil lake, its surface perfectly still under a vast, dark sky. Beneath this calm exterior, countless unseen currents continue their slow, perpetual flow, carrying nutrients, shaping the lakebed, and sustaining the myriad forms of life that reside in its depths. The surface stillness is merely a reflection of a deeper, enduring movement. Our body in deep sleep is like this lake, outwardly still, yet inwardly teeming with the quiet, vital processes that ensure its continued vitality. This ability of complex biological systems to enter states of profound deceleration, to seemingly pause their active engagement with the world while maintaining their fundamental essence, is a testament to the remarkable ingenuity of life itself. It suggests a deep, inherent wisdom within all living things, a capacity for profound rest that serves as the foundation for vibrant awakening. But now, let us consider how this profound stillness of rest often leads our minds to gently wander, to explore the very edges of our understanding, particularly regarding the astonishing nature of perception. In those quiet moments just before sleep, or during the soft flow of a daydream, our thoughts might turn to the myriad ways we experience reality, both familiar and fantastic. We see vibrant colors, hear intricate melodies, feel the warmth of the sun, and touch the rough texture of a tree trunk. These sensory inputs seem to provide us with a direct, accurate, and complete picture of the world around us. This intuitive understanding of perception, that what we see and hear is precisely what is, forms the bedrock of our physical reality. Imagine the vivid landscape of a dream, where your perception shifts dramatically, blurring the very lines between what is real and what is imagined. In this dream realm, you frequently find yourself not just witnessing, but actively re-experiencing past events with astonishing clarity, emotional resonance, and a profound sense of presence. You might walk through a beloved old house, feeling the familiar texture of its walls, hearing the distant sounds of conversations from years ago, even smelling the subtle scent of old wood or faded flowers, all brought to life with a vibrancy that rivals waking experience. Yet, in the dream, these recollections are often seamlessly blended with fantastical elements, with impossible characters or illogical scenarios, or they might even present past events with a subtly altered narrative or a different emotional tone. The path of a familiar street might unexpectedly lead to a fantastical landscape, or a conversation with a loved one might take a turn that never happened in waking life. In the dream, these blendings of memory and imagination feel utterly natural, unconstrained by the usual rules of logic or the expectations of fixed reality. Yet, when you awaken, you realize these reconstructions and alterations were spontaneous creations of your subconscious mind, unfolding from a deeper, unseen current within your being, hinting at a more profound, pervasive form of perceptual malleability and memory's fluid nature. The dream world, in its very essence, highlights the mind's profound ability to construct and reconstruct reality, even its fundamental sensory and temporal qualities, from sources beyond our immediate awareness, suggesting that the past is not merely gone, but is preserved within the intricate pathways of our minds, a rich tapestry that can be rewoven and re-experienced. This leads us to a gentle, profound inquiry. What is the true nature of waking perception? Is it merely a direct window onto an objective, independently existing world, faithfully mirroring what is out there, or is it more like a dream? A subtle, intricate constructed reality, a delicate veil woven by our brains, constantly filtering, interpreting, and even subtly shaping the vast flow of information from our senses, revealing only a portion of deeper truths. This isn't about denying the undeniable existence of the world around you, but about embracing a deeper understanding of how our experience of that world emerges. Much like a beautiful river whose course is shaped by unseen geological formations and whose visible flow is but one aspect of its vast, continuous movement. It's a profound dialogue that has been humming within the very fabric of our being since our very beginnings. A symphony of unseen processes orchestrated by subtle, pervasive energies. Consider the intricate web of factors that shape even a simple act of seeing. When light from an object enters your eyes, your brain doesn't just receive raw data, it immediately engages in a complex unconscious process of interpretation. It uses stored memories, learned patterns, contextual cues, and even your current emotional state to create a coherent, meaningful image. Your brain fills in gaps, interprets ambiguous information, and makes countless assumptions based on past experience. For instance, you perceive a red apple as red because your brain interprets specific wavelengths of light as that color, but the apple itself doesn't possess redness as an inherent, independent quality. It reflects certain wavelengths, and your brain translates that reflection into a subjective experience of color. This interpretation, this construction, is ceaseless, happening every moment of your waking life. Beyond color, our perception of sound is equally constructed. When a gentle breeze rustles leaves, it creates pressure waves in the air. Your ears detect these vibrations and convert them into electrical signals. Your brain then interprets these signals as the sound of rustling leaves, distinguishing it from other sounds, assigning it meaning, and associating it with the visual of the leaves moving. This involves complex processing to filter out background noise, pinpoint the sound's origin, and recognize its source, all occurring unconsciously. The gentle haze of perception filters out countless frequencies like infrasound and ultrasound, which many animals perceive that exist in the air, allowing us to focus only on the sounds relevant to our human experience. This suggests that the silence we perceive is not an absence, but a filtered version of a much richer auditory landscape. Our perception of touch and texture also involves a complex interpretive dance. When you touch a soft blanket, countless nerve endings in your skin send signals to your brain about pressure, temperature, and texture. Your brain then integrates these signals, along with memories of past touches, to create the subjective experience of softness and noise. This isn't just a raw input, it's a sensory interpretation, influenced by your expectations and prior knowledge. A material that feels soft to one person might feel slightly different to another, based on individual sensory thresholds and past experiences. This active construction of perceived reality extends to the very structure of the world we inhabit. Our brain constructs a stable, three-dimensional world from two-dimensional images projected onto our retinas. It uses cues like perspective, shading, overlapping objects, and the slight difference in images between our two eyes' binocular vision to create the illusion of depth and solidity. Without this tireless, unconscious calculation, the world would appear flat and fragmented. This constant, seamless construction, fueled by immense neural activity, ensures that our perceived reality feels coherent, consistent, and undeniably real. The gentle haze of perceived reality is profound because it challenges our intuitive sense of objective truth. Instead, it reveals that our reality is a deeply personal and continuously interpreted experience. It invites us to consider that our internal landscape is far richer, softer, and more wonderfully dynamic than our direct senses typically reveal. It's a quiet invitation to surrender our need for absolute, unchangeable perceptions and to embrace the beautiful, gentle dance of complex neural and cognitive causality that underpins our very experience of the world. Our subjective reality is a beautiful, coherent narrative woven by our brains, making sense of a continuous, complex stream of information, much like a dream creates a seamless story from disparate impulses. This contemplation of the sensing brain within and the vastness of its silent influence on our perception of reality is not meant to stir alarm or a sense of an unreliable world. Instead, it invites a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of processes within us and the astonishing sophistication of our own biology. It's a gentle nudge to recognize that our conscious perception is but one aspect of our being, and that deeper, more fundamental processes, operating in the quiet of our internal world, constantly shape our experience, often in ways we are only just beginning to gently perceive. It calls for humility and a quiet curiosity, a willingness to listen to the whispers of our own minds, even if we don't fully understand their intricate language, for within those whispers might lie profound insights into the rhythms of our sensations and the nature of our deepest self. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of this gentle haze of perceived reality envelop you. Feel the vastness of this inner landscape, the quiet hum of countless neural interactions constantly unfolding, and the seamless dance between your sensory inputs and your brain's interpretations. There is no urgency here, no need to grasp at concrete answers. Simply allow the profound sense of boundless collaboration and enduring mystery to wash over you, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of your brain's internal universe and its pervasive potential for intricate activity. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool, dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle yet persistent hum of your own sensing brain. All is calm, all is clear, as the gentle haze of perceived reality guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest, as the soft whispers from the dream of perception gently recede, and the subtle contours of our familiar waking world gradually soften into a tranquil twilight. We are invited to consider a deeper, more profound landscape, the vast and intricate spectrum of visible light, and the gentle haze that ceaselessly shapes our daily reality. Imagine, if you will, that the cosmos is not merely what your eyes behold, but a boundless, tranquil ocean, where countless waves of energy and information continuously ripple and interact, shaping the very sights, sounds, and textures that emerge. Often long before your conscious awareness fully grasps their intricate nature, what we currently sense: the vibrant colors of a sunset, the gentle murmur of a stream, the warmth of a touch, is merely a tiny, luminous island in this immense ocean, surrounded by a gentle haze that obscures the vast majority of its profound activity. hinting at immense potentials yet to fully coalesce. We often perceive our senses as complete windows onto reality, providing us with a full and accurate picture of the world around us. Our eyes gather light, our ears detect sound, our skin feels touch, and our brains seamlessly interpret these signals to construct a three-dimensional, tangible world. This intuitive understanding of perception that what we see, hear, and feel is precisely what is in an objective sense forms the bedrock of our personal experience. It provides a comforting sense of immediate, unchanging order. However, the gentle gaze of modern science, particularly physics and biology, meticulously observing and analyzing the intricate details of energy and information, reveals a far more sophisticated and interconnected truth. Our senses are exquisitely specialized, yet profoundly limited, allowing us to interact with only a tiny fraction of the full spectrum of reality. Think of an ancient, perfectly built stone cottage, standing strong and seemingly independent. Most of the time, we hear the crackle of its fire, the soft whispers within its walls. But imagine if, beyond the range of our hearing, the very structure of the cottage was constantly resonating with incredibly low-frequency tremors from the distant earth, or high-frequency hums from the molecular vibrations of its stones. Similarly, the world around us is teeming with energies and information that we simply cannot perceive, existing in a realm of unseen spectrums. This leads us to a gentle, profound inquiry. What are these vast, unseen spectrums of energy and information, and how do they reveal the rich, hidden tapestry of reality that exists beyond our immediate grasp? They do so by pushing the boundaries of our perception, inviting us to contemplate a universe far richer than our everyday senses can convey. Consider the electromagnetic spectrum. Our eyes are magnificent organs, capable of detecting light. But the light we perceive the vibrant colors of the rainbow, from deep violet to fiery red, is merely a minuscule sliver of the entire electromagnetic spectrum. This visible light represents only a tiny fraction of the vast ocean of electromagnetic waves that permeate the universe. Beyond what we can see, the spectrum stretches infinitely in both directions, encompassing a multitude of other lights that are utterly invisible to our eyes. 1. Radio waves. The low-frequency whispers. Imagine colossal, slow-moving waves, so vast that they stretch for miles, passing through solid objects without registering in our sight. These are radio waves, the lowest frequency and longest wavelength electromagnetic radiation. They are used for communication, your radio and television signals, your cell phone calls, the quiet whispers from distant spacecraft. Naturally, they are generated by lightning, by the hearts of stars, and by vast cosmic phenomena like pulsars and distant galaxies. While invisible, and they carry immense information, allowing us to map the universe in ways that visible light cannot, revealing vast clouds of gas and the remnants of ancient explosions. This is a profound echo from the Earth's deep core, a silent breath that speaks volumes to other species, revealing that absolute silence for humans is a vibrant soundscape for others. 2. Microwaves. The invisible warmth. Slightly higher in frequency than radio waves are. Microwaves. These are familiar for heating food in our kitchens, but they also permeate the cosmos. The cosmic microwave background. CMB, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, is the oldest light in the universe, filling all of space with a pervasive hum of microwave radiation. It is a direct messenger from the universe's infancy, revealing its composition and subtle early fluctuations. This invisible warmth is a continuous, quiet whisper from the dawn of time, subtly shaping the overall temperature of the cosmos. 3. Infrared light. The gentle embrace of heat. As we move up the spectrum, we encounter infrared light. This is the radiation we perceive as heat, invisible to our eyes but profoundly felt by our skin. Every warm object, including your own body, emits infrared light. In astronomy, infrared telescopes can peer through vast clouds of dust that obscure visible light, revealing the birthplaces of stars and planets. the glowing remnants of young galaxies, and the warmth of objects too cool to emit visible light. It's like having a special kind of vision, capable of discerning the pervasive heat signatures of the cosmos, illuminating what was previously hidden by cosmic fog. 4. Ultraviolet light. The invisible scorch. Beyond visible light lies ultraviolet UV radiation, higher in energy and invisible to us. While vital for synthesizing vitamin D in our skin, excessive UV light can be harmful, causing sunburn. In space, hot, young stars emit copious amounts of UV light, which can ionize surrounding gas clouds, causing them to glow. UV telescopes allow us to study these energetic processes, revealing the most active and hottest regions of the universe. This invisible light is a powerful force, sculpting the interstellar medium and driving energetic cosmic phenomena. 5. X-rays and gamma rays. The fierce whispers of the extreme. At the highest frequencies and shortest wavelengths are X-rays and gamma rays, the most energetic forms of light. These are produced by some of the most violent events in the universe, supernova explosions, black holes consuming matter, and colliding galaxy clusters. They carry immense energy and can penetrate dense materials. X-ray and gamma-ray telescopes allow us to glimpse these extreme cosmic phenomena, revealing the universe's most powerful engines and the physics of extreme gravity. These invisible lights are powerful forces, shaping the very fabric of existence and revealing the most energetic processes in the cosmos. The gentle haze here refers to the elusive nature of these vast, unseen spectrums. We cannot directly see radio waves or X-rays with our naked eyes, nor can we directly perceive the ceaseless fluctuations in their intensity or direction. However, our scientific instruments, like sophisticated extensions of our senses, are meticulously designed to detect these energies, transforming them into signals that our brains can then interpret. It's like peering through a soft mist, hoping to discern the faint outline of a distant shore, a whisper of a hidden landscape, confirming that emptiness is far from nothing. These instruments unveil the subtle fullness, a continuous cosmic symphony that defines the universe's dynamic nature, patiently revealing its hidden dimensions. Beyond electromagnetic radiation, the world is also alive with other forms of unseen energy and information. Neutrinos. Those ghost-like particles pass through vast stretches of matter without interaction. Yet, they carry information directly from the cores of stars and supernovae. Gravitational waves, ripples in space-time itself, allow us to hear the collisions of black holes and neutron stars, revealing cosmic events utterly invisible to light. Even the very fabric of space-time is permeated by dark matter and dark energy, invisible components that comprise 95% of the universe, shaping its structure and expansion, yet only detectable through their subtle gravitational influence. These are the deepest, most pervasive elements of the unseen spectrum, continually influencing everything from the distribution of galaxies to the subtle rhythms of our own existence. This contemplation of the unseen spectrum and the vastness of its potential is not meant to stir alarm or a sense of insignificance. Instead, it invites a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of existence and the astonishing complexity that underlies even apparent simplicity. It's a gentle nudge to recognize that our human-centric view of reality is but one perspective, and that the universe is far richer, more subtly complex, and infinitely more profound than we typically allow ourselves to imagine. It calls for humility and a quiet curiosity, a willingness to listen to the whispers of the universe, even if we don't fully understand their silent, unseen language. For within those whispers might lie profound insights into the grand tapestry of creation and the gossamer veil that cloaks so much of what truly is. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of this gentle haze of the unseen spectrum envelop you. Feel the vastness of this hidden auditory landscape, the quiet hum of unheard frequencies and imperceptible vibrations flowing through air, water, and earth, and subtly through your very being. There's no urgency here, no need to grasp at concrete answers. Simply allow the profound sense of subtle communication and hidden depths to wash over you, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's resonant pulse and its pervasive potential for harmony. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle yet persistent hum of the unseen world of sound. All is calm, all is clear, as the gentle haze of unseen light guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we gently drift deeper into the serene landscape of the unseen spectrum, softly moving through its gentle haze of imperceptible energies, we now approach a profoundly ancient and pervasive concept, the unseen frequencies of the electromagnetic spectrum. Imagine, for a quiet moment, our familiar universe, with its vibrant colors and visible lights, not merely existing in the narrow band our eyes perceive. Instead, conceive of it as an immense, shimmering tapestry, impossibly intricate and endlessly flowing, woven from countless types of light, most of which are utterly invisible to us. These are the vast realms of energy waves, from the longest, most gentle radio waves to the shortest, most energetic gamma rays, constantly flowing, interacting, and carrying profound information from cosmic and terrestrial sources, like echoes from an immense hidden symphony of energy that continuously permeates all of existence. We often perceive light as synonymous with visible light, the vibrant hues of the rainbow, from deep violet to fiery red. This intuitive understanding simplifies our daily interactions with the world. We navigate by seeing, communicate through visual cues, and appreciate the beauty of a sunlit landscape. However, the gentle gaze of modern physics, particularly the study of electromagnetic radiation, reveals a far more intricate and astonishing truth. The light we see is merely a minuscule sliver, a tiny, luminous island in a boundless ocean of energy waves. The rest of this vast ocean, the electromagnetic spectrum, stretches infinitely in both directions, encompassing a multitude of other lights that are utterly invisible to our eyes, yet profoundly influential and information-rich. Think of an ancient master conductor whose subtle gestures bring a vast orchestra to life, guiding each instrument, each note into a harmonious composition. The orchestra doesn't just play randomly, it responds to the conductor's invisible signals, creating a unified, flowing piece of music. Similarly, in the vastness of the universe, countless celestial bodies and terrestrial phenomena are continuously emitting and absorbing various forms of electromagnetic radiation. These invisible frequencies are the notes in a cosmic symphony that our human ears and eyes are simply not built to fully perceive. The universe is constantly singing its grand song, and we are only consciously attuned to a few of its most familiar melodies. This leads us to a gentle, profound inquiry. What are these unseen frequencies of the electromagnetic spectrum? And how do their echoes reveal the rich, hidden tapestry of realities that exists beyond our immediate grasp? They do so by pushing the boundaries of our perception, inviting us to contemplate a universe far richer than our everyday senses can convey, and showing us that darkness is often merely a different kind of light. 1. Radio waves. The deep, slow whispers. Imagine colossal, slow-moving waves, so vast that they can stretch for miles, capable of passing through solid objects without registering in our sight or touch. These are radio waves, the lowest frequency and longest wavelength form of electromagnetic radiation. They are familiar to us for communication purposes, carrying your radio and television signals, your cell phone calls, and the quiet whispers from distant spacecraft that explore our solar system. Naturally, they are generated by powerful terrestrial phenomena like lightning storms, by the hearts of stars, and by vast cosmic phenomena such as pulsars rapidly spinning neutron stars and the energetic cores of distant galaxies. While utterly invisible to our eyes, radio waves carry immense information, allowing astronomers to map the universe in ways that visible light cannot, revealing vast clouds of cold gas and dust that are the nurseries of new stars and the remnants of ancient titanic explosions. They are the deepest, most pervasive murmurs of the cosmos, providing a unique window into cold, dim regions where visible light cannot penetrate, acting as ancient echoes from the quiet corners of the universe. 2. Microwaves. The pervasive warmth of cosmic history. Slightly higher in frequency than radio waves or microwaves, these are familiar for heating food in our kitchens, demonstrating their capacity to carry thermal energy. But they also permeate the vastness of the cosmos. The cosmic microwave background. CMB, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, is a profound example. It is the oldest light in the universe, filling all of space with a pervasive hum of microwave radiation, a uniform glow that dates back to about 380,000 years after the Big Bang, when the universe first became transparent. It is a direct messenger from the universe's infancy, revealing its composition and subtle early fluctuations. This invisible warmth is a continuous, quiet whisper from the dawn of time, subtly shaping the overall temperature of the cosmos, a profound echo of the universe's fiery genesis. 3. Infrared light. The gentle embrace of hidden heat. As we move up the spectrum in terms of energy, we encounter infrared light. This is the radiation we primarily perceive as heat, invisible to our eyes but profoundly felt by our skin, by animals, and by specialized detectors. Every warm object, including your own body, emits infrared light. In astronomy, infrared telescopes can peer through vast clouds of dust that obscure visible light, revealing the birthplaces of stars and planets which are warm but not yet visible, the glowing remnants of young galaxies, and the warmth of objects too cool to emit visible light, like distant, dim dwarf stars or exoplanets. It's like having a special kind of vision, capable of discerning the pervasive heat signatures of the cosmos, illuminating what was previously hidden by cosmic fog, revealing the thermal heart of the universe. These are the soft echoes of warmth and subtle energy exchange, resonating across vast cosmic distances. 4. Ultraviolet light. The energetic scorch of youth. Beyond visible light lies ultraviolet UV radiation, higher in energy and invisible to us. While vital for synthesizing vitamin D in our skin, excessive UV light can be harmful, causing sunburn and DNA damage. In space, incredibly hot. Young, massive stars emit copious amounts of UV light. This intense radiation can ionize surrounding gas clouds, causing them to glow, forming emission nebulae, or can directly influence the chemistry of interstellar gas and dust. UV telescopes allow us to study these energetic processes, revealing the most active and hottest regions of the universe, the sites of vigorous star formation, and the powerful winds blowing off luminous young stars. This invisible light is a powerful force, sculpting the interstellar medium and driving energetic cosmic phenomena, leaving its unseen mark on the evolution of galaxies. These are the sharp echoes of intense energy, shaping the universe's most dynamic regions. 5. X-rays and gamma rays. The fierce whispers of the extreme. At the highest frequencies and shortest wavelengths and thus highest energies are X-rays and gamma rays, the most energetic forms of light. These are not emitted by typical stars or cool gas. Instead, they are produced by some of the most violent and extreme events in the universe, supernova explosions, matter falling into the immense gravity of black holes, colliding galaxy clusters, and powerful jets emanating from active galactic nuclei. They carry immense energy and can penetrate dense materials, providing unique insights into phenomena that are otherwise obscured. X-ray and gamma-ray telescopes, often orbiting above Earth's atmosphere, which absorbs these forms of radiation, allow us to glimpse these extreme cosmic phenomena, revealing the universe's most powerful engines and the physics of extreme gravity and high-energy particle interactions. These invisible lights are powerful forces, shaping the very fabric of existence and revealing the most energetic processes in the cosmos, providing harsh yet revealing echoes from its most dramatic events. The echoes from the electromagnetic spectrum's unseen frequencies here refers to the profound insights these different forms of light provide. Each wavelength range offers a unique window onto different physical processes, different components of the universe, and different epochs in cosmic history. We cannot directly see radio waves or X-rays with our naked eyes, nor can we perceive the ceaseless fluctuations in their intensity or direction. However, our scientific instruments, like sophisticated extensions of our senses, are meticulously designed to detect these energies, transforming them into signals that our brains can then interpret. It's like peering through a soft mist, hoping to discern the faint outline of a distant shore, a whisper of a hidden landscape, confirming that emptiness is far from nothing. These instruments unveil the subtle fullness, a continuous cosmic symphony that defines the universe's dynamic nature, patiently revealing its hidden dimensions, and the pervasive interconnectedness of all energy forms. Beyond electromagnetic radiation, the universe is also alive with other forms of unseen energy and information. Neutrinos. Those ghost-like particles pass through vast stretches of matter without interaction, yet they carry information directly from the cores of stars and supernovae. Gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime itself, allow us to hear the collisions of black holes and neutron stars, revealing cosmic events utterly invisible to light or neutrinos. Even the very fabric of spacetime is permeated by dark matter and dark energy, invisible components that comprise 95% of the universe, shaping its structure and expansion, yet only detectable through their subtle gravitational influence. These are the deepest, most pervasive elements of the unseen spectrum, continually influencing everything from the distribution of galaxies to the subtle rhythms of our own existence. This contemplation of the unseen spectrum and the vastness of its potential is not meant to stir alarm or a sense of insignificance. Instead, it invites a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of existence and the astonishing complexity that underlies even apparent simplicity. It's a gentle nudge to recognize that our human-centric view of reality is but one perspective, and that the universe is far richer, more subtly complex, and infinitely more profound than we typically allow ourselves to imagine. It calls for humility and a quiet curiosity, a willingness to listen to the whispers of the universe, even if we don't fully understand their silent, unseen language. For within those whispers might lie profound insights into the grand tapestry of creation and the gossamer veil that cloaks so much of what truly is. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of these echoes from the electromagnetic spectrum's unseen frequencies envelop you. Feel the vastness of this hidden realm, the quiet hum of countless energies constantly interacting, and the boundless possibilities that lie beneath the surface of seemingly empty space. There is no urgency here, no need to grasp at concrete answers. Simply allow the profound sense of subtle communication and hidden depths to wash over you, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's resonant pulse and its pervasive potential for harmony. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool, dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle and persistent hum of the unseen spectrum. All is calm, all is clear, as the echoes from the electromagnetic spectrum's unseen frequencies guide you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we gently drift deeper into the serene landscape of the cosmos, softly moving through the echoing whispers from the electromagnetic spectrum's unseen frequencies, we now turn our attention to the profound and intricate connection that binds the very essence of cosmic communication, the woven fabric of cosmic communication, and its delicate yet incredibly powerful silent threads. Imagine, for a quiet moment, our entire universe not as a chaotic scattering of isolated stars, but as a vast, shimmering tapestry, impossibly intricate and endlessly flowing. Its countless patterns, the birth of new stars, the formation of planets, the very chemistry of life are all subtly orchestrated, in part by immense, ethereal, and incredibly pervasive streams of light and energy. This isn't chaos, but a dance of profound interconnectedness, a silent ballet where vital information is continuously exchanged, linking disparate cosmic entities across unimaginable distances, all guided by unseen, continuous flows of energy. We often perceive communication as something that happens through familiar means words, visible signals, or tangible objects exchanged between individuals. In the cosmos, we might think of light from stars reaching our eyes as a form of communication. However, the gentle gaze of modern astronomy and astrophysics, meticulously observing and analyzing the faint emissions from vast interstellar and intergalactic spaces, reveals a far more sophisticated and astonishing truth the universe is constantly communicating, not just through the visible light we cherish, but through an entire symphony of invisible frequencies and subtle interactions that weave a vast, silent web of information across billions of light years. These are the true silent threads of cosmic communication, continuously carrying vital messages from the distant past and the unseen present. Think of an ancient master weaver at their loom, creating an impossibly intricate and vibrant tapestry. Each individual thread, on its own, is simple a mere strand of color or texture. But when countless threads are intricately interwoven, following a precise, harmonious pattern, they collectively form a magnificent, detailed image. The beauty, the story, the very essence of the tapestry is not in any single thread, but in the relationships and interactions between them, in the way they intertwine and flow together. Cosmic communication, that grand tapestry of universal exchange, is woven from countless threads of energy and information, the various wavelengths of the electromagnetic spectrum, the elusive particles, the subtle ripples in space-time, each with its own distinct role, contributing to the overall strength, hue, and story of the cosmos. The primary threads in this dynamic weave are the various forms of electromagnetic radiation that continuously travel through space. Acting as silent, tireless messengers, each segment of the electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to gamma rays, carries unique information about the cosmic objects and processes that emit them. Unlike sound waves, which require a medium like air or water to travel, electromagnetic waves can travel through the vast emptiness of space, making them the universe's primary form of long-distance communication. This leads us to a gentle yet profound inquiry. How do these unseen frequencies, these silent threads, carry vital information across the cosmos, enabling astronomers to see what is invisible to the human eye and to understand the universe's grand narrative? The answer lies in their unique properties and the meticulous ways our instruments are designed to detect them. 1. Radio waves. The deepest whispers from the ancient cosmos. Imagine the longest, slowest waves, stretching for miles, capable of passing through vast clouds of cosmic dust that would block visible light. These are radio waves, the lowest frequency and longest wavelength form of electromagnetic radiation. They carry profound information from the coldest, densest, and most ancient regions of the universe. For instance, cold neutral hydrogen gas, the most abundant element from the Big Bang, emits radio waves at a specific wavelength of 21 centimeters. By patiently detecting these faint radio emissions with radio telescopes like the Arecibo Observatory or the Very Large Array, astronomers can map the distribution and movement of vast clouds of neutral hydrogen within and between galaxies. This allows them to trace the immense reservoirs of gas that fuel star formation, to track the invisible flows of gas being drawn into galaxies, and to discern the subtle aftermath of galactic collisions. It's like having a special kind of ear, capable of hearing the deepest, most pervasive hum of the cosmos, revealing its silent dance of matter and its long-forgotten whispers, connecting us directly to events that occurred billions of years ago. These radio threads are like ancient, enduring pathways, linking us to the earliest moments of cosmic evolution. 2. Microwaves. The echo of creation. Slightly higher in frequency than radio waves are microwaves. These are fundamental to our understanding of the universe's origin. The cosmic microwave background. CMB radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, fills the entire universe with a pervasive hum of microwave radiation. It is the oldest light in the universe, dating back to about 380,000 years after the Big Bang, when the universe first cooled enough for atoms to form and light to travel freely. By meticulously studying the tiny temperature fluctuations in the CMB with microwave telescopes like WMAP and Planck, cosmologists can map the primordial seeds from which all cosmic structures stars. Galaxies grew. This invisible warmth is a continuous, quiet whisper from the dawn of time, subtly shaping the overall understanding of the cosmos, a profound echo of the universe's fiery genesis and its subsequent cooling, providing a direct ancient thread of information about its very beginning. 3. Infrared light. Seeing through the veil of dust. As we move up the spectrum in terms of energy, we encounter infrared light. This is the radiation we perceive as heat, invisible to our eyes but profoundly felt by our skin and by specialized infrared telescopes like Spitzer or James Webb. Space telescope. Infrared light has a longer wavelength than visible light, allowing it to penetrate vast clouds of dust that would obscure visible light. This unique property makes infrared telescopes invaluable for peering into dusty stellar nurseries, where new stars and planets are being born, revealing the warmth of objects too cool or too shrouded to emit visible light. It's like having a special kind of vision, capable of discerning the pervasive heat signatures of the cosmos, illuminating what was previously hidden by cosmic fog, revealing the thermal heart of the universe and the early stages of star formation. These infrared threads provide crucial insights into processes of creation that are otherwise veiled. 4. Ultraviolet light. The energetic whispers of youth. Beyond visible light lies ultraviolet UV radiation, higher in energy and invisible to us. In space, incredibly hot. Young, massive stars emit copious amounts of UV light. This intense radiation can ionize surrounding gas clouds, causing them to glow vividly, forming emission nebulae, or can directly influence the chemistry of interstellar gas and dust. UV telescopes like GALEX and HST's UV instruments allow us to study these energetic processes, revealing the most active and hottest regions of the universe, the sites of vigorous star formation, and the powerful winds blowing off luminous young stars. This invisible light is a powerful force, sculpting the interstellar medium and driving energetic cosmic phenomena, leaving its unseen mark on the evolution of galaxies and the life cycles of stars. These UV threads are the sharp echoes of intense energy, shaping the universe's most dynamic and youthful regions. 5. X-rays and gamma rays. The fierce narratives of the extreme. At the highest frequencies and shortest wavelengths and thus highest energies are X-rays and gamma rays, the most energetic forms of light. These are not emitted by typical stars or cool gas. Instead, they are produced by some of the most violent and extreme events in the universe. Supernova explosions, the death throes of massive stars, matter falling into the immense gravity of black holes, colliding galaxy clusters, and powerful jets emanating from active galactic nuclei. They carry immense energy and can penetrate dense materials, providing unique insights into phenomena that are otherwise obscured. X-ray and gamma-ray telescopes, often orbiting above Earth's atmosphere, which effectively absorbs these forms of radiation. Allow us to glimpse these extreme cosmic phenomena, revealing the universe's most powerful engines and the physics of extreme gravity and high-energy particle interactions. These invisible lights are powerful forces, shaping the very fabric of existence and revealing the most energetic processes in the cosmos, providing harsh, yet revealing, echoes from its most dramatic events, linking us to the most violent cosmic transformations. The woven fabric of cosmic communication refers to this continuous interplay. Each wavelength range offers a unique window onto different physical processes, different components of the universe, and different epochs in cosmic history. We cannot directly see radio waves or X-rays with our naked eyes, nor can we perceive the ceaseless fluctuations in their intensity or direction. However, our scientific instruments, like sophisticated extensions of our senses, are meticulously designed to detect these energies, transforming them into signals that our brains can then interpret. It's like peering through a soft mist, hoping to discern the faint outline of a distant shore, a whisper of a hidden landscape, confirming that what appears to be empty space is far from nothing. These instruments unveil the subtle fullness, a continuous cosmic symphony that defines the universe's dynamic nature, patiently revealing its hidden dimensions and the pervasive interconnectedness of all energy forms. Beyond electromagnetic radiation, the universe is also alive with other forms of unseen energy and information that form crucial threads of cosmic communication. Neutrinos, those tiny ghost-like particles, pass through vast stretches of matter without interaction, yet they carry information directly from the cores of stars and supernovae. Because they interact so weakly, they are pristine messengers, unaffected by the dense matter that blocks light. Gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime itself, allow us to hear the collisions of black holes and neutron stars, revealing cosmic events utterly invisible to light or neutrinos. Even the very fabric of spacetime is permeated by dark matter and dark energy, invisible components that comprise 95% of the universe, shaping its structure and expansion, yet only detectable through their subtle gravitational influence. These are the deepest, most pervasive elements of the unseen spectrum, continually influencing everything from the distribution of galaxies to the subtle rhythms of our own existence. The challenges in fully understanding and precisely mapping all these cosmic connections are immense. The signals are often incredibly faint, requiring exquisitely sensitive detectors, and the events that generate them can be incredibly rare or distant. Distinguishing between genuine cosmic signals and earthly noise is a painstaking process. However, the gentle persistence of researchers around the globe continues to push the boundaries of our capabilities. International collaborations, leveraging ground-based observatories, vast arrays of detectors, and powerful space telescopes, share data and expertise, contributing to a global network of monitoring and understanding. This continuous scientific vigilance allows for a deeper appreciation of the astonishing complexity of the universe's long-term evolution and enhances our capacity to decipher the subtle rhythms of cosmic stillness and change. This exploration of the woven fabric of cosmic communication and the insights it offers about the profound, hidden links that bind the universe is not meant to be a source of anxiety or a definitive answer that simplifies the cosmos. Instead, it offers a profound sense of wonder and gentle insight. It suggests that the phenomenon of cosmic existence is far more intricately designed and interconnected than we might typically imagine, deeply intertwined with its underlying fundamental laws. It reminds us that our understanding of the universe is constantly expanding, like the steady, silent growth of a mighty tree, reaching ever higher, branching into unforeseen forms. Each new leaf a testament to our capacity for discovery and our commitment to understanding our cosmic home. From its earliest moments to its grandest structures, revealed through its unseen bridges and silent messengers, this contemplation of the endless tree of cosmic connections, with its diverse branches reaching into the unknown, is not meant to be daunting. Instead, it offers a profound sense of awe at the ingenuity of human science and the astonishing complexity of the universe's processes. It reminds us that our understanding of cosmic phenomena is constantly expanding, like the steady, silent growth of a mighty tree, reaching ever higher, branching into unforeseen forms. Each new leaf a testament to our boundless curiosity and our role as careful observers of our universe. As you drift deeper now, let the image of this vast, growing, endless tree of cosmic connections bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless activity within the universe, silently working to form, to transform, and to link all matter and energy, even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate. There's no need to actively solve the grand mystery of cosmic communication. Simply allow this beautiful internal work of contemplation to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's profound unseen components and the tireless efforts of scientific observation. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a gentle mist rising from the calm surface of an ancient lake. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle and persistent hum of cosmic discovery. All is calm, all is clear, as the woven fabric of cosmic communication guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we gently drift deeper into the serene landscape of cosmic structures, softly moving through the woven fabric of cosmic communication and its silent threads, we now approach a fascinating threshold, the delicate boundary where what appears to be profound emptiness meets, in truth, an astonishing fullness. Imagine, for a quiet moment, a tranquil lake at dusk, its surface perfectly still, reflecting the familiar stars above. On one side, the shore is illuminated by the comforting lights of bustling cities and vibrant communities representing the galaxies, those shimmering islands of stars that fill our visible universe. But stretching out into the serene darkness of the lake is an expanse where the first, almost imperceptible gleam of a distant lighthouse begins to appear, its light reaching across the vastness to hint at the profound, yet often overlooked emptiness that occupies most of the universe's volume, yet is paradoxically filled with elusive dark matter and the pervasive push of dark energy. This gentle, shimmering light is akin to the quiet, nuanced understanding that the cosmos, far from being mostly empty, is overwhelmingly structured and driven by immense, unseen frameworks and hidden energies that define its grandest patterns, comprising the vast majority of its very essence. In our everyday waking experience, when we gaze up at the night sky, we see countless stars scattered across what appears to be a vast, empty blackness. We intuitively perceive the space between galaxies as a cosmic void, a vacuum devoid of anything substantial, a place of ultimate nothingness. This intuitive understanding forms the bedrock of our classical worldview, a comforting sense of stillness and inertness. We assume that if we cannot see something, it is not there, and therefore what we see must be all that is. However, the gentle gaze of modern cosmology, meticulously observing and analyzing the faint echoes from the universe's earliest moments and its largest structures, reveals a far more sophisticated and interconnected reality, where the vast majority of existence is made up of something we cannot see, touch, or even directly interact with. The seemingly empty spaces are, in truth, profoundly active participants in the cosmic dance, their unseen presence shaping everything visible, making the universe a much stranger and fuller place than our senses reveal. Recall our earlier contemplation of the galaxy rotation problem, where the outer stars of galaxies spin much faster than they should, based solely on the gravitational pull of the visible matter within the galaxy. This profound discrepancy was one of the earliest whispers of the universe's hidden fullness. It suggested that most of the matter in galaxies is invisible to us, forming vast, unseen halos that exert a powerful gravitational pull. This is dark matter. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, making it utterly transparent to our instruments. Imagine it as the fundamental, invisible scaffolding upon which the luminous patterns of galaxies are beautifully embroidered. Without these dark threads, the tapestry of galaxies would unravel, its visible patterns dispersing into chaos. Dark matter's influence is felt only through its gravitational persuasion, subtly shaping the movements of visible matter. Much like an unseen current in a vast ocean, subtly guides the path of a shimmering school of fish, without ever being seen itself. Its pervasive presence is felt through the very patterns of galaxies and clusters we see across the cosmos. Like an architect's unseen blueprint guiding the construction of a majestic city, even as the city appears to float in a void. This subtle, pervasive presence, which makes up approximately 27% of the total mass energy of the universe, is a testament to an unseen structure, a profound, hidden architecture that gravitationally binds the cosmos, forming the backbone of all cosmic structures. Then there is dark energy, an even more enigmatic and profound component of the universe's hidden fullness. Unlike dark matter, which clumps gravitationally around galaxies, dark energy is thought to be smoothly distributed throughout all of space, acting as a pervasive, subtle force that actively pushes the fabric of space apart, causing the accelerated expansion of the cosmos. Imagine it as a gentle, continuous stretching of the tapestry itself, slowly pulling apart the interwoven threads, causing the patterns of galaxies to subtly expand and diffuse over unimaginable eons. Dark energy, though unseen and its nature utterly unknown, dictates the grand, ultimate destiny of the cosmic ocean, influencing whether it will expand forever into a vast, cold emptiness, or eventually slow and contract back into a denser state. It represents the largest component of our universe, comprising roughly 68% of its total mass energy, yet its essence remains one of the deepest mysteries in science. This is the ultimate fullness of the seemingly empty space of vast, energetic presence that defines the very expansion and future of reality. A silent, pervasive hum that propels the very growth of the universe. The reflecting light from the edge of cosmic voids is the profound insight that our universe, far from being mostly empty, is actually overwhelmingly populated by these invisible, mysterious components. We cannot see them with our eyes or conventional telescopes, but we infer their existence and map their distribution by meticulously observing their gravitational effects on visible matter and light, or their influence on the overall expansion of space. These voids, often millions of light years across, are not true emptiness. Instead, they represent regions where the density of matter, both visible and dark, is significantly lower than average. But even within these vast, underdense regions, dark energy continues its subtle push, and dark matter still retains its diffuse presence, acting as an unseen, delicate framework that defines the boundaries of these immense empty spaces, shaping the very structure of the cosmos. 1. The cosmic web and void formation. The large-scale structure of the universe is often described as a cosmic web, a vast, sponge-like network of colossal filaments, long, thread-like structures of galaxies and dark matter, and immense galaxy clusters where thousands of galaxies gather like luminous dewdrops at the nodes of the web, interspersed with these immense, spherical cosmic voids. These voids are the largest structures in the universe, true examples of vast, seemingly empty spaces, yet they are dynamically active. They are not merely holes in the galaxy distribution, they are active components of the cosmic web, formed through the collective gravitational attraction of matter towards the filaments and clusters. As gravity pulled galaxies and dark matter together into denser regions, it simultaneously left behind vast, emptier spaces. Dark energy then further accelerates the expansion of space within these voids, causing them to grow even larger over time. The light from galaxies traces the luminous pathways of this web, and the absence of light in the voids, paradoxically, tells us about the pervasive, unseen forces at work and how they define the universe's grand architecture. The reflecting light here is the light from galaxies around the voids, whose distribution reveals the shapes and sizes of these vast, empty regions, hinting at the powerful gravitational forces and the pervasive dark energy that sculpted them, providing crucial information about the universe's large-scale structure. 2. Gravitational lensing in and around voids. Gravitational lensing is a powerful tool to feel the presence of dark matter, even within voids. While voids contain less mass than filaments or clusters, the slight deficit of dark matter within them can still cause a subtle anti-lensing effect, where light passing through them is slightly unbent or diverged compared to what it would be in a perfectly uniform universe. More commonly, the massive filaments and galaxy clusters surrounding the voids cause strong lensing. And the patterns of this lensing allow us to map the dark matter that defines the boundaries of these voids, revealing their unseen architecture. The distorted images of distant galaxies bending around the edges of these vast cosmic structures is the reflecting light that allows us to map the dark matter halos that delineate the voids themselves, confirming their pervasive influence on the geometry of spacetime and showing us the invisible framework of the cosmos. 3. The cosmic microwave background. CMB and cold spots. The CMB is the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, a gentle yet pervasive light that fills the entire universe. It is almost perfectly uniform in temperature across the sky, but contains tiny temperature fluctuations, which are the primordial seeds from which all cosmic structures grew. Some regions of the CMB are slightly colder than average, known as CMB cold spots. One intriguing hypothesis is that some of these cold spots might be caused by light from the CMB passing through immense cosmic voids on its way to Earth. As photons from the CMB pass through a void, they lose a tiny amount of energy due to the subtle expansion of space within the void, the integrated Sachs-Wolf effect causing them to cool ever so slightly. This phenomenon, if definitively confirmed, would be another reflecting light from the voids, a subtle imprint on the most ancient light that reveals the pervasive influence of dark energy within these seemingly empty regions, directly impacting the path of primordial light and providing direct evidence of cosmic voids and their hidden energy. The interplay of visible matter, dark matter, and dark energy on these largest scales is a continuous, dynamic dance. Dark matter provides the initial gravitational scaffolding that allowed galaxies and galaxy clusters to form. These structures then serve as gravitational wells, pulling in ordinary visible matter and simultaneously evacuating the voids. Dark energy, meanwhile, acts on the grandest scales, influencing the overall expansion and the ultimate fate of this cosmic web, subtly accelerating the growth of the voids themselves. It's a continuous, dynamic interplay where the seen and the unseen, the light and the dark, are intimately linked, performing a cosmic ballet that has been unfolding for billions of years, creating a universe that is patterned by immense regions of both luminous fullness and profound, unseen emptiness. This dance is the very essence of the universe's breath, a grand cosmic respiration where every seemingly empty space is filled with profound, hidden forces. The pursuit of understanding these cosmic voids and the invisible forces that shape them is one of the most exciting and profound frontiers in modern cosmology. Scientists are not just looking for more visible matter, they are devising incredibly sensitive experiments and using vast datasets from galaxy surveys to map the cosmic web, hoping to precisely understand the distribution and properties of dark matter and dark energy within these immense structures. This quest is like trying to discern the intricate hidden knots and patterns in the underlying weave of a vast tapestry, knowing that understanding them will reveal the true artistry and profound nature of the entire creation. This exploration of the universe's ultimate components, whether visible or invisible, is a testament to human ingenuity and the universe's boundless capacity for mystery and wonder. This contemplation of the edge of cosmic voids and the subtle reflecting light of dark matter and dark energy is not meant to be daunting or to diminish the visible beauty of the cosmos. Instead, it offers a profound sense of wonder and humility. It suggests that the universe is far richer, far more complex, and infinitely more profound than our immediate senses can convey. It reminds us that our familiar reality of stars and galaxies is but a small, luminous part of a much grander, silent, and wonderfully mysterious whole, held together and expanded by forces we are only just beginning to truly understand, not by seeing, but by feeling their undeniable influence. The emptiness is not empty at all. It is a profound fullness of the unknown, continuously influencing every aspect of cosmic existence, defining the very essence of the universe's invisible breath. This contemplation is not meant to be daunting, but rather deeply humbling and profoundly wondrous. It suggests that the universe is far more elegant and enduring than we might ever fully grasp. A continuous masterpiece of dynamic consistency occurring across the vastness of space and time. The reflecting light from this edge of cosmic voids is a testament to the universe's astonishing capacity for subtle evolution and its fluid, timeless dance, even in its vast unseen components. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of this reflecting light from the edge of cosmic voids bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless gravitational pull of dark matter, silently shaping galaxies and weaving the cosmic web, and the pervasive expansion driven by dark energy, even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate. There is no urgency here, no need to rush into the unknown or to grasp at immediate answers. Simply allow this beautiful internal work of contemplation to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's profound mysteries and its boundless, unseen forces. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool, dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle, persistent hum of cosmic fullness. All is calm, all is clear, as the reflecting light from the edge of cosmic voids guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we continue our serene journey into the intricate core of the cosmos, softly moving through the reflecting light from the subtle edge of emptiness and fullness, we now turn our attention to the fascinating dance that unfolds across the grandest scales of existence, the silent, continuous process by which stellar winds and cosmic fog gently sculpt and recycle the very matter of the cosmos. Imagine, for a quiet moment, our familiar universe not as a static painting, but as a vast, tranquil ocean, its depths continuously swirling with countless subtle ripples. Each ripple represents a flow of gas and dust, a gentle current of energy, orchestrating the life and death of stars and the grand evolution of galaxies. These are the unseen waves, the gentle yet powerful forces interacting within the universe, profoundly influencing how everything from the earliest stellar nurseries to the grandest superclusters came to be, all part of the universe's invisible and pervasive gravitational architecture. This ceaseless movement of cosmic material is truly the invisible breath of the cosmos, a continuous process of exhalation and inhalation on scales unimaginable to our everyday senses. We have contemplated how the universe, far from being empty, is filled with the pervasive presence of invisible dark matter and dark energy, which dictate its large-scale structure and expansion. But even the ordinary visible matter, the stuff stars, planets, and ourselves are made of is largely composed of diffuse gas and dust, stretching across the vast spaces between galaxies and within galaxies themselves. This interstellar medium ISM, the material within galaxies, and the intergalactic medium IgM, the even more tenuous material between galaxies, are not inert voids. They are dynamic, living presences, constantly in motion, continuously transforming and recycling matter, like the essential threads that bind a grand tapestry, endlessly being woven and rewoven by the universe itself. Think of an ancient master builder laying down an invisible, immensely strong framework before a grand city is constructed. The city's roads, buildings, and parks will then be built upon and around this hidden scaffold, guided by its underlying structure. Similarly, within a galaxy, the gas and dust are the raw materials for future worlds, constantly being reshaped by the subtle forces of stellar winds and vast cosmic flows, all within the gravitational embrace of dark matter. This continuous exchange and transformation of matter is the very essence of the universe's invisible breath, a slow, majestic exhalation and inhalation on cosmic scales, ensuring the continuity of creation. This leads us to a gentle, yet profound inquiry: how do stars, those luminous cosmic engines, contribute to this invisible breath, recycling matter and energy throughout the universe? The answer lies in stellar winds and other powerful outflows. Imagine a star not just as a static beacon of light, but as a gentle, continuous fountain, perpetually ejecting streams of charged particles and elements into the space around it. These stellar winds are powerful flows of gas, primarily hydrogen and helium ions, protons, and electrons, along with tiny traces of heavier elements forged in the star's core. These particles are pushed away from the star by the immense pressure of its radiation and its powerful magnetic fields, creating a pervasive cosmic breeze. Our own sun, for example, constantly emits the solar wind, a continuous stream of charged particles that gently extends throughout our solar system, traveling at hundreds of kilometers per second. This solar wind interacts with the magnetic fields of planets, creating phenomena like Earth's beautiful auroras, the northern and southern lights, when deflected particles interact with our atmosphere. This is like a quiet, continuous exhalation from the star, subtly shaping its immediate cosmic neighborhood, carving out vast bubbles and influencing the dynamics of planetary magnetospheres, and contributing to the overall flow of the cosmic breath. However, the scale of stellar winds varies dramatically with the star's mass. Stars much larger and hotter than our Sun, known as massive stars, produce incredibly powerful and fast stellar winds, often millions of times stronger than the solar wind. These strong winds can visibly sculpt the surrounding interstellar medium, blowing giant bubbles and cavities in the gas and dust clouds from which new stars are born. These colossal bubbles, often hundreds of light years across, are like vast ethereal cosmic sculptures, continuously being shaped by the persistent breath of massive stars, revealing the immense power of these continuous flows. These powerful winds also gently enrich the interstellar medium with elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, which were formed in the star's interior during its long, luminous life, dispersing these crucial building blocks for future generations of stars and planets. Beyond stellar winds, the universe is filled with larger, more diffuse currents, often referred to as cosmic fog. This isn't literal fog, but a pervasive, highly diluted mixture of gas and dust that fills the space between stars within galaxies, the interstellar medium, and between galaxies themselves, the intergalactic medium. This cosmic fog is not passive. It is a dynamic participant in the life cycles of galaxies. It is continuously recycled, gently flowing into galaxies to fuel new star formation, and being ejected back out by powerful stellar events. Consider the active centers of galaxies, particularly those with rapidly forming stars or a supermassive black hole that is actively accreting matter. These regions can generate incredibly powerful galactic winds that blow vast quantities of gas and dust out of the galaxy's disk and into the surrounding intergalactic medium. This outward flow is like a forceful exhalation, a giant cosmic sigh, enriching the surrounding cosmic fog with heavier elements forged in stars. This process, known as galactic feedback, is crucial for regulating star formation rates in galaxies, preventing them from consuming all their gas too quickly. Conversely, galaxies are also thought to gently accrete cold gas from the intergalactic medium, drawing it in like a deep, slow inhalation, providing fresh fuel for new generations of stars to ignite. This continuous exchange of gas, this cosmic breathing, ensures the long-term vitality and evolution of galaxies, making them living entities within the cosmic ocean, perpetually consuming and releasing matter, always a part of the universe's pervasive rhythm. The invisible threads of this cosmic fog are also critical for understanding the cooling processes necessary for star formation. Hot, diffuse gas cannot easily collapse to form stars. It needs to radiate away its energy to cool down. The presence of tiny dust grains within these cosmic gas clouds acts as a subtle radiator, helping the gas to cool efficiently by emitting infrared radiation, allowing it to become dense enough for gravity to take over and form new stars. So, even the most seemingly insignificant components, the dust and diffuse gas, play a vital, unseen role in the grand cosmic ballet, guiding the very birth of stars and shaping their properties. Without this cooling effect, the gas would remain too hot and diffuse to ever condense, and new stars would cease to form. The cosmic web, the largest known structure in the universe, is a profound manifestation of these gas threads and stellar winds. Imagine the cosmos as a vast, intricate network, with galaxies strung along colossal filaments and gathered into immense galaxy clusters, interspersed with immense voids. Observations and simulations reveal that these filaments are not just made of dark matter, they are also vast rivers of diffuse, often dim, gas that continuously flow between galaxy clusters, providing the fuel for galaxy growth. It's like discovering the intricate, unseen veins that connect and support a vast, sprawling forest, without which the towering trees galaxies could not draw their sustenance. The gas flows are the actual pathways through which matter is dispersed and recycled across these immense cosmic distances, guided by the universe's own invisible breath, ensuring the continuity of the cosmic web. The pursuit of understanding these cosmic ripples and the true nature of dark matter and dark energy is one of the most exciting and profound frontiers in modern physics. Scientists are not just looking for visible matter, they are devising incredibly sensitive experiments and using vast datasets from galaxy surveys to map the cosmic web, hoping to precisely understand the distribution and properties of dark matter within these immense structures. This quest is like trying to discern the intricate hidden knots and patterns in the underlying weave of a vast tapestry, knowing that understanding them will reveal the true artistry and profound nature of the entire creation. This understanding of stellar winds and cosmic fog, and the immense invisible flows of matter they represent, is profoundly beautiful. It suggests that the cosmos is not merely a collection of isolated luminous objects, but a deeply integrated, constantly recycling system, where the seen and the unseen, the light and the dark, are intimately linked, performing a cosmic ballet that has been unfolding for billions of years. It challenges our intuitive sense of emptiness in space, revealing a pervasive, subtle fullness that is continuously in motion, forming the very essence of the universe's invisible breath, a slow, majestic, and continuous respiration that shapes all structures, from the smallest star to the largest supercluster, ensuring its perpetual renewal. This contemplation of the ripples amidst stellar winds and cosmic fog, and their profound implications for our understanding of the universe, is not meant to be daunting, but rather deeply humbling and profoundly wondrous. It suggests that the universe is far more elegant and enduring than we might ever fully grasp, a continuous masterpiece of dynamic consistency occurring across the vastness of space and time. The stellar winds and cosmic fog are a testament to the cosmos's astonishing capacity for subtle evolution and its fluid, timeless dance, guiding all existence within its grand embrace. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of these gentle ripples of stellar winds and cosmic fog envelop you. Feel the subtle dance of profound transformation at the very heart of stellar life and death. The quiet hum of energy flowing from stars, and the countless shimmering interactions constantly unfolding. There is no urgency here, no need to grasp at concrete answers. Simply allow the profound sense of interconnectedness and subtle flow to wash over you, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's vast, dynamic nature and its pervasive potential for unseen processes. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool, dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle and persistent hum of cosmic change. All is calm, all is clear, as the ripples of stellar winds and cosmic fog guide you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we continue our serene journey into the intricate core of the universe, softly moving amidst the ripples of stellar winds and cosmic fog, we now direct our attention to a profound and continuously unfolding process that shapes our understanding the tree of cosmic gas astronomy. Imagine, for a quiet moment, a colossal, ancient tree, its roots deeply embedded in the most fundamental layers of astrophysical inquiry, its trunk stretching through centuries of human curiosity, and its countless branches continuously unfurling. Each new leaf represents a delicate observation, a subtle technological advance, a quiet analysis that attempts to shed light on the elusive nature of the universe's invisible gases and dust. The clues we gather about the structure, dynamics, and ultimate fate of this cosmic breath are like falling leaves from this magnificent tree, each carrying a quiet whisper of the long, patient story of scientific vigilance and our endless quest to understand the subtle forces that sculpt our cosmic home's atmosphere and surface. Revealing its hidden respiratory system, we often perceive the universe through the brilliant light of stars and galaxies, focusing on the luminous objects that fill the night sky, their visible brilliance dominating our view. However, the vast majority of ordinary matter in the cosmos exists not in these visible forms, but as diffuse gas and dust, stretching across immense distances between stars and within galaxies. This interstellar medium, ISM, and intergalactic medium, IGM, are incredibly tenuous, often too cold or too faint to emit light in the visible spectrum, making them largely invisible to our naked eyes and conventional optical telescopes. Yet, the gentle gaze of modern cosmic gas astronomy, meticulously observing and analyzing the intricate properties of this invisible material, reveals a far more sophisticated and dynamic reality. This continuous vigilance, this patient listening for the faint murmurs of cosmic gas, is a vital aspect of our understanding of galactic life cycles and the grand evolution of the universe itself. Unveiling the universe's true breath. Think of a gentle breeze rustling through an ancient forest. Each leaf, while part of the same tree, might carry a unique pattern of veins or a subtle variation in color. These are the diverse scientific instruments, the meticulous data collection techniques, and the intricate analytical models that cosmic gas astronomers and astrophysicists gently employ. When some of these reveal intriguing properties like the precise temperature of cold hydrogen gas, the faint glow of hot X-ray emitting gas in galaxy clusters, or the subtle absorption signatures of distant molecular clouds, it's like a particularly striking leaf falling from the tree, catching our attention and inviting deeper examination. These are not definitive answers for every cosmic mystery, but rather intriguing insights, nudging us towards new pathways of understanding and encouraging further, patient investigation into the very breath of the cosmos, allowing the tree of knowledge to grow new, unforeseen branches. The very essence of what drives this endless branching of the tree of cosmic gas astronomy lies in our insatiable human curiosity about the universe's unseen components and our boundless drive to understand the complete cycle of matter and energy. When we ask fundamental questions like, where does the gas come from to form new stars and planets? Or, how do galaxies exchange matter with their surroundings, maintaining their vitality? Or, what fills the vast cosmic voids? It prompts scientists to develop ingenious methods that can see the invisible, to listen to its subtle whispers and decipher its profound instructions across the vastness of space. Consider the pioneering use of radio telescopes, the silent, tireless listeners that detect radio waves emitted by cold, neutral hydrogen gas. This gas, the most abundant element in the universe, doesn't glow in visible light because its atoms are in their lowest energy state. However, its hydrogen atoms, through a quantum transition involving a flip of the electron's spin, emit radio waves at a very specific wavelength of 21 centimeters. By patiently detecting these faint radio emissions, astronomers can map the distribution and movement of vast clouds of neutral hydrogen within and between galaxies. This allows them to trace the immense reservoirs of gas that fuel star formation, to track the invisible flows of gas being drawn into galaxies, and to discern the subtle aftermath of galactic collisions, which often strip or redistribute gas, affecting star formation. It's like having a special kind of ear, capable of hearing the deepest, most pervasive hum of the cosmos, revealing its silent dance of matter and its long-forgotten whispers, connecting us directly to events that occurred billions of years ago. These radio threads are like new, delicate leaves unfurling on the tree of cosmic gas astronomy, providing continuous, invaluable data on the universe's most basic building blocks, tracing the invisible pathways of its breath. Powerful observatories like the Very Large Array VLA in New Mexico or the Atacama Large Millimeter Yarch Submillimeter Array ALMA in Chile have revolutionized our ability to map these cold, invisible gas flows. Beyond cold gas, scientists meticulously observe hot gas using X-ray telescopes. When gas falls into the immense gravitational wells of galaxy clusters, or when galaxies collide, it can be heated to millions of degrees, causing its atoms to become highly ionized and emit X-rays. These X-ray emissions allow astronomers to map the distribution of hot gas in galaxy clusters, which often contains more ordinary matter than all the stars in the cluster combined. This hot, diffuse gas is a crucial component of the cosmic web, acting as a reservoir of material that can be slowly drawn into galaxies for star formation, or ejected from them by powerful galactic winds, a constant exchange within the grand structure. It's like observing the imperceptible shimmering of immense, unseen currents, quietly revealing their internal processes through a unique form of light, showing the hidden warmth and energetic activity of the cosmos. Space-based X-ray observatories like Chandra and XMM Newton are essential for this kind of seeing, as Earth's atmosphere absorbs X-rays. Furthermore, the delicate analysis of molecular gas and dust offers crucial clues about star and planet formation. Molecular clouds, dense regions of gas and dust within galaxies, are the direct nurseries where new stars are born. These clouds are often very cold and opaque to visible light, making them appear as dark silhouettes against brighter nebulae. However, using submillimeter and infrared telescopes, astronomers can peer through the dust and detect the faint emissions from various molecules like carbon monoxide, CO, or water vapor within these clouds, as well as the subtle warmth radiated by the dust itself. These observations reveal the precise conditions, the subtle concentrations of matter, where gravity can finally take over and gently persuade gas and dust to collapse into new stars and protoplanetary disks. It's like finding a hidden, quiet nursery amidst a vast, dark forest, filled with the promise of new life. Observing the very moment where the universe's breath prepares to ignite a new flame. These chemical and thermal signatures are like new, delicate leaves, each revealing a different facet of the cosmic breath preparing for birth. The James Webb Space Telescope JWST, with its unparalleled infrared capabilities, is revolutionizing our view of these hidden cosmic nurseries. The role of absorption lines in the spectra of distant quasars and stars also provides critical information about foreground gas clouds. As light from these luminous background objects travels towards us, specific elements and molecules in intervening gas clouds absorb light at characteristic wavelengths, creating dark lines in the spectrum. By analyzing these absorption patterns, astronomers can determine the composition, temperature, and even the velocity of gas clouds that are too diffuse or too cold to emit their own light. This allows us to see the invisible intergalactic medium and the vast filaments of the cosmic web, tracing the faint, pervasive structures of gas that connect galaxies. It's like listening for the subtle echoes of ancient whispers, revealing the hidden structures that permeate the vastness of space and confirming the constant movement of the cosmic breath. The challenges in fully mapping and understanding this invisible breath are immense. The gas and dust are incredibly diffuse, and their signals are often very faint, requiring exquisitely sensitive instruments and long observation times. Furthermore, distinguishing between different types of gas and accurately measuring their properties across vast cosmic distances is a complex undertaking. The intricate interplay of gravity, stellar feedback like supernovae, and the dynamics of gas flows makes modeling these processes a monumental task. However, the gentle persistence of researchers around the globe continues to push the boundaries of our capabilities. International collaborations, leveraging ground-based radio observatories like ALMA, very long baseline interferometry VLBI techniques, and space-based X-ray telescopes like Chandra and XMM Newton share data and expertise. Contributing to a global network of monitoring and understanding, this continuous scientific vigilance allows for a deeper appreciation of the astonishing complexity of the universe's long-term evolution and enhances our capacity to decipher the planet's grand cycles of matter and energy, always in harmony with its living essence. This exploration of the tree of cosmic gas astronomy and the insights it offers about the profound, hidden life of our universe is not meant to be a source of anxiety or a definitive answer that simplifies the cosmos. Instead, it offers a profound sense of wonder and gentle insight. It suggests that the phenomenon of cosmic existence is far more intricately designed and interconnected than we might typically imagine, deeply intertwined with its underlying fundamental laws. It reminds us that our understanding of the universe is constantly expanding, like the steady, silent growth of a mighty tree, reaching ever higher, branching into unforeseen forms, each new leaf a testament to our capacity for discovery and our commitment to understanding our cosmic home. From its earliest moments to its grandest structures, revealed through its invisible breath, its pervasive and ever-flowing gases, this contemplation of the endless tree of cosmic gas astronomy, with its diverse branches reaching into the unknown, is not meant to be daunting. Instead, it offers a profound sense of awe at the ingenuity of human science and the astonishing complexity of the universe's processes. It reminds us that our understanding of cosmic phenomena is constantly expanding, like the steady, silent growth of a mighty tree, reaching ever higher, branching into unforeseen forms. Each new leaf a testament to our boundless curiosity and our role as careful observers of our universe. As you drift deeper now, let the image of this vast, growing, endless tree of cosmic gas astronomy bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless activity within the universe, silently working to form, to transform, and to recycle matter. Even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate, there is no need to actively solve the grand mystery of cosmic gas. Simply allow this beautiful internal work of contemplation to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's profound unseen components and the tireless efforts of scientific observation. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a gentle mist rising from the calm surface of an ancient lake. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle but persistent hum of scientific discovery. All is calm, all is clear, as the falling leaves from the tree of cosmic gas astronomy guide you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we continue our tranquil journey into the quiet wonders where cosmic gas astronomy softly intertwines with the grand design of the universe, having moved through the falling leaves of scientific vigilance, we now arrive at a deeply soothing and profoundly beautiful idea: the notion that the very essence of cosmic respiration, the universe's grand, invisible breath, might arise from a state of astonishing, glorious simplicity. It's like the gentle, spontaneous laughter of a child, pure and unforced, revealing a profound truth in its effortless joy. We often associate the vast processes of cosmic evolution, like the cycling of matter, the birth of stars, the formation of galaxies, or the continuous exchange of gas and energy across immense distances, with incredibly intricate, unyielding structures. Imagining complex, chaotic forces at play? But what if the most elegant explanations for how the universe breathes, the most harmonious integrations of fundamental principles, and even the very spark of new celestial beginnings, bloom from foundational concepts so simple, so beautifully concise, that they whisper of an underlying unity and an eternal, graceful rhythm across all scales of existence? Imagine, if you will, a vast open field bathed in the soft, diffused light of dawn. The field appears simple in its expansive form, a canvas of quiet earth, yet it holds countless seeds beneath its surface, each containing an elegant, compressed blueprint for life. When the conditions are just right, when the soil is soft, the light diffused, and the air still, these seeds effortlessly sprout, drawing on unseen water and nutrients, growing into a riot of diverse, vibrant life. The immense complexity and breathtaking beauty of the blossoming field arise not from an endless set of predetermined instructions for each individual plant, but from the simple, underlying potential of each seed, combined with the harmonious, fundamental laws of growth. This reveals a glorious simplicity, profound power, and boundless cosmic activity are often quietly waiting, hidden within simple beginnings, unfolding through elegant, natural processes, always embracing the most efficient path. Our understanding of how cosmic gas and dust move, accumulate, and are recycled throughout the universe points to a similar, elegant principle: cosmic respiration. This describes the universe's grand, continuous breath, where vast quantities of gas are inhaled by galaxies, drawn in by gravity to form new stars, and then exhaled back into the cosmic medium by stellar winds and supernova. While the underlying physics of gas dynamics, gravity, and feedback mechanisms can be complex, the overarching cycle is one of glorious simplicity, a continuous process of gathering, transformation, and dispersal, ensuring the perpetual renewal of the cosmos. This rhythmic inhalation and exhalation of matter is the universe's most fundamental metabolic process, a simple, elegant mechanism for maintaining its vitality. Think of an intricate piece of music. The music itself, its melody, harmony, rhythm, and emotional impact is not created by an overwhelming cacophony of sound. Instead, it arises from the precise arrangement of a limited set of notes, played with specific timing and intensity. The power and beauty lie not in the sheer number of elements, but in the elegant relationships between them, in the harmonious way they combine. Similarly, the ability of diffuse cosmic gas to coalesce into brilliant stars, or for galaxies to maintain their vitality through cycles of inflow and outflow, isn't about complex localized interventions for each atom. It's about pervasive, smoothly distributed influences like gravity, pressure waves, and radiation pressure that follow simple universal laws, ensuring the overall cosmic harmony. This is the very essence of glorious simplicity. In action, a multitude of simple components, individual atoms, dust grains, working in harmony through fundamental interactions, yielding a profound, complex outcome like the perpetual birth of stars and the sustained chemical evolution of the universe, all powered by this simple cosmic breath. This glorious simplicity suggests that the laws governing cosmic respiration are incredibly efficient and robust, allowing for immense transformations to occur through subtle, unhurried means, always contributing to the larger balance and grand cosmic design. Consider the process of gravitational collapse, for instance, which is fundamental to how immense clouds of gas and dust slowly condense to form stars and galaxies. This is a process of immense power, eventually leading to brilliant, fiery suns and complex galactic structures, yet it begins in apparent stillness, with the simple but persistent pull of gravity acting on tiny density fluctuations in the primordial gas. The power isn't in a sudden, dramatic bang, but in the simple, fundamental force of gravity, accumulating energy over eons, resulting in spectacular, luminous outcomes from diffuse beginnings. This continuous gathering of matter is the inhalation of the cosmos, driven by a gloriously simple principle. The crucial act of cosmic recycling further highlights this glorious simplicity. When stars eventually die, particularly massive stars and spectacular supernova explosions, they release the elements forged in their cores like carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and up to iron, and those created during the explosion itself, elements heavier than iron, such as gold, silver, uranium, and the phosphorus and sulfur vital for life. This violent event, while immense, is the universe's most vital act of cosmic distribution. The star, in its magnificent demise, releases these newly created elements, along with its lighter ones, into the cosmic ocean, the interstellar and intergalactic medium, dispersing them across unimaginable distances. This dispersal is a simple, yet profoundly important, act of enrichment, providing the raw materials for future generations of stars, planets, and, potentially, life. This release of processed material is the exhalation of the cosmos, a simple yet profoundly generative process. It's like a finely crafted tool, designed with only the necessary components, making it incredibly effective and durable, capable of performing its essential cosmic function with understated grace. The profound elegance of cosmic recycling lies in its ability to generate all the building blocks of existence through a self-sustaining, continuous cycle, turning apparent destruction into profound creation. Consider the elegance of nature's designs. A spiral in a seashell, the branching pattern of a tree, the delicate symmetry of a snowflake. These intricate forms arise from simple, recursive rules applied repeatedly. Nature does not compute every intricate detail. Rather, it allows complexity to emerge from underlying simplicity. The pervasive phenomenon of cosmic respiration, continuously recycling the elements of life and fueling new star formation, embodies this natural elegance. Its subtle flows and grand transformations are not chaotic, random acts, but a testament to an underlying order, a profound design that allows fundamental processes to drive the formation of the most magnificent structures in the universe, and to ensure its perpetual renewal. It's the quiet laughter of cosmic respiration, finding strength in its elemental grace, a beautiful testament to the power of economy and purpose, ensuring the universe's continuous, harmonious song, a rhythm of perpetual cosmic breath. The pursuit of understanding cosmic respiration often leads scientists to seek this glorious simplicity. When we strip away layers of superficial detail about violent explosions and complex stellar remnants, and find a fundamental, elegant principle such as the continuous recycling of matter, driven by gravity and nuclear processes, mediated by simple gas dynamics that explains its pervasive influence, that is when true understanding blossoms. The very fact that something as diffuse and seemingly empty as interstellar gas can give rise to the astounding complexity of stars and galaxies, and then be recycled to fuel further creation, speaks to a deep, pervasive elegance in the design of cosmic systems. The existence of this grand cycle, continuously transforming raw material into luminous structures and life-giving elements, is a powerful example of this elegance, demonstrating that the very core of cosmic structure is built on robust, foundational principles of dynamic balance and self-renewal, rather than endless layers of overcomplication. It's a whisper that the universe, in its grand design, finds profound strength and beauty in its elemental, unified principles of harmony and relation, eternally breathing its unseen essence. This understanding offers a profound sense of reassurance and wonder. It suggests that the cosmos, despite its vastness and complexity, is fundamentally coherent and deeply interconnected. The concept of cosmic respiration, rather than being a source of chaos or a frightening anomaly, can be viewed as an elegant expression of the universe's inherent unity, a testament to its fluid nature and its capacity for long-term stability through profound, unseen processes. It tells us that even in the face of immense cosmic distances, there is an underlying order, a quiet strength derived from the simple, yet powerful dance of fundamental interactions. This recognition can bring a deep calm, knowing that underlying the apparent complexities of the universe, there is a harmonious, efficient design, a whisper of a universal language that speaks of simplicity and enduring cosmic balance. Our own existence, small part of this grand cosmic tapestry, finds its profound meaning within this pervasive, unified dance. A glorious, simple truth. As you drift deeper now, let the gentle laughter of cosmic respiration, born from glorious simplicity, bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless harmony of the universe, silently working to unfold its grand design, guided by its elegant, fundamental principles of renewal. Even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate, there is no need to grasp at every intricate detail of galactic evolution. Simply allow this beautiful, internal work of contemplation to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of underlying cosmic elegance and the boundless capacity for universal order. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a gentle mist rising from a calm field at dawn. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle yet persistent hum of cosmic respiration. All is calm, all is clear, as the quiet laughter of cosmic respiration guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As our tranquil journey through the quiet wonders of cosmic respiration softly continues, having embraced the glorious simplicity from which perpetual renewal blooms, we now turn our gaze towards an even more expansive and deeply reassuring concept, the lullaby of a breathing biosphere universe. We often perceive life as confined to our small blue planet, a tiny vibrant bubble in a vast, empty cosmos, and the universe as a distant, indifferent expanse. But what if, gently guided by the unfolding principles of profound interconnectedness and the subtle whispers from its deepest nature, all life, from the smallest microbe to the largest galaxy, is part of a continuous, rhythmic cycle, deeply woven into the very fabric of the universe itself? It's like a serene river flowing endlessly into a boundless, moonlit sea that is teeming with unseen possibilities for life to bloom on countless shores. Its waters ever moving, ever transforming. Its ripples connecting every drop to the whole, participating in an enduring cosmic ballet woven by the very fabric of existence. Its ceaseless murmurs echoing through all time and space, revealing that the entire cosmos is alive with its own vast rhythms. Imagine, for a quiet moment, the entire universe breathing, a vast, living entity with its own profound rhythms that unfold over immense stretches of time. From its fiery birth, the cosmos has been perpetually engaged in a grand act of creation and organization, forging the very elements of life within the hearts of stars and scattering them across unimaginable distances. This cosmic dust, rich with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur, the very ingredients for DNA and proteins, gently coalesces into new solar systems, forming planets that, if conditions are just right, can become cradles for new forms of life. This is the essence of a cosmic biosphere, a continuous, interconnected web of life that potentially spans across galaxies, a grand, universal tapestry woven from the same fundamental threads, echoing the patterns of life on Earth, and constantly participating in the universe's great, invisible breath, ensuring that matter and energy are perpetually recycled and renewed. The very fact that the chemical ingredients for life are so abundant throughout the universe is a profound whisper from this breathing biosphere universe. It suggests that the conditions that allowed life to emerge on Earth might not be unique, but rather a common outcome of the universe's vast chemical potential. If life is a natural consequence of the fundamental laws of chemistry and physics, then it is reasonable to expect that, given enough time and suitable environments, it would arise elsewhere. This is not about finding exact copies of ourselves in the stars, but about discerning the universal principles of life's emergence, the way simple molecules combine into complex, self-replicating systems. The way information is encoded and passed on wherever and however it manifests. It hints that the basic software of life might be running on countless different hardware platforms across the cosmos, all part of the same grand breath, the same universal flow of matter and energy, making life a pervasive cosmic phenomenon. Think of a gentle breeze carrying countless tiny dandelion seeds across a vast meadow. Each seed holds the potential for new life, and if it lands on fertile ground with the right amount of sunlight and moisture, a new plant will sprout. It draws its sustenance from the earth and the sun, eventually returning its energy when it decays. Continuing the cycle, the universe is like that boundless meadow, and the fundamental building blocks of life are like those resilient seeds, scattered across countless stellar nurseries, waiting for the right planetary soil and conditions to gently take root and bloom into new forms of being. This continuous seeding and potential flourishing of life across the cosmos is the very essence of a breathing biosphere universe, always adapting, always subtly shifting its composition in a grand, harmonious flow, aligning with universal conditions, and participating in the ceaseless inhale and exhale of cosmic matter, ensuring that life, in all its forms, is forever a part of the universe's pervasive rhythm. This understanding challenges our conventional, anthropocentric view of life as solely an earthly phenomenon. It suggests that wisdom is not confined to human thought, but is also embodied in the boundless ingenuity of nature, in its capacity to devise myriad forms of existence under vastly different conditions. The pervasive presence of interstellar and intergalactic gas and dust, those vast clouds that fill the space between stars and galaxies, are the very lungs of this cosmic biosphere. They inhale vast amounts of raw material, drawing it into galaxies to form new stars and planets, and stars in their brilliant lives and spectacular deaths. Exhale vital, life-enriching elements and continuous streams of light and radiation back into this cosmic medium, allowing the cycle to continue. It's a profound humbling, reminding us that we are but one delicate leaf on a vast, unimaginably ancient, and ever-growing tree of cosmic life, connected to every other leaf, seen or unseen, through this universal breath of light and matter, participating in a grand, harmonious cosmic dance, a dance of continuous renewal and exchange. The pursuit of understanding this breathing biosphere universe is driven by our most advanced tools, the silent, patient sentinels of space telescopes and the intrepid robot probes. Telescopes peer back in time and across immense distances, analyzing the atmospheres of distant exoplanets for the chemical fingerprints of life. Like the subtle scent of life carried on cosmic winds, searching for disequilibrium gases, combinations of atmospheric gases that wouldn't normally coexist in significant amounts without biological activity, such as abundant oxygen and methane together. Robot probes meticulously explore icy moons and ancient Martian landscapes, searching for the preserved remnants of past life, or the vibrant whispers of present microbial communities, like an archaeologist carefully sifting through ancient sands for the faintest trace of a lost civilization. Each chemical signature detected, each surprising planetary condition found, adds another delicate leaf to our understanding of this breathing biosphere universe, revealing more of the grand design, and confirming that the cosmos is indeed alive with its own vast rhythms of gas, matter, and ceaseless illumination. This lullaby of a breathing biosphere universe brings a profound sense of peace and belonging. It tells us that we, too, are part of this grand, continuous flow of energy and existence, intricately linked not just to our planet, but to the very unfolding of the cosmos itself. Our individual lives, with their joys and sorrows, are precious notes within an eternal symphony that echoes the universe's own vast existence. Every breath we take, every beat of our heart, every thought that ripples through our mind is a part of this greater rhythm. Even as our own biological journeys unfold, the essence of our being, the subtle information that defines us, flows back into the larger cycle of existence, contributing to the tapestry of life that continues through countless forms and countless ages, always in harmony with the universe's grand, slow dance. There is no ultimate end, only transformation, a gentle continuation within the boundless rhythm of the universe, where life is potentially as pervasive as starlight and as eternal as time itself, endlessly renewing itself, forever expanding its own song, filling the vastness with its living presence. This perspective is not meant to be a source of anxiety or a philosophical puzzle. Instead, it invites a deep sense of acceptance and serenity. It encourages us to surrender to the natural rhythms of creation, of emergence and adaptation, of cosmic seeding and planetary blossoming, knowing that they are all part of a larger, harmonious design, orchestrated by the universe itself. The gentle presence of its invisible breath and the profound ubiquity of life's building blocks serves as a beautiful, profound reminder of nature's enduring wisdom, its quiet promise of interconnectedness in the face of immense complexity, a timeless lullaby from the cosmos's heart, whispering of boundless existence and universal life, always bathed in the light of its eternal fires, forever flowing outwards. As you drift deeper now, let the image of this breathing biosphere universe bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless rhythm of existence within and around you, encompassing emergence, transformation, and profound interconnectedness, intimately linked to the universe's own long breath, even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate. There is no need to grasp at control or to fear the unknown. Simply allow this beautiful, internal understanding to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of life's eternal flow, a marvel of continuous cycles, in harmony with its living essence. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a gentle mist rising from a calm river. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle, persistent hum of a breathing biosphere universe. All is calm, all is clear, as the lullaby of life's enduring journey, nestled within the cosmos's deep rhythms, guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As our gentle journey through the intricate wonders of the universe's invisible breath softly draws to its close, we arrive at the most serene of moments, the quiet transition into deep, restorative sleep. We've explored the whispers from the deep slumber of our own breath, illuminated the gentle haze of seemingly empty space, and listened to the echoing potentials of primordial clouds. We floated upon the woven fabric of galaxies and their dark gas threads, bathed in the reflecting light from the edge of emptiness and fullness, and navigated amidst the ripples of stellar winds and cosmic fog. We've gathered the falling leaves from the tree of cosmic gas astronomy and embraced the glorious simplicity of cosmic respiration. Finally, when we were cradled by the lullaby of a breathing biosphere universe, now, in this profound stillness, we draw a final soothing connection between the universe's ceaseless, invisible breath and the grand, continuous dream of our own existence within the boundless cosmos. Imagine, for a final comforting moment, our entire universe not just as a vast collection of matter and energy, but as a living, breathing entity, engaged in its own profound, cosmic dream. Just as your own body yields to the rhythms of sleep, allowing for repair and renewal, so too does the cosmos, through countless cycles of formation, life, and transformation, endlessly bring forth new forms of being. The very existence of the invisible breath of the cosmos, the vast flowing currents of gas and dust, the subtle interplay of dark matter and dark energy, the constant recycling of elements is not a dramatic, urgent problem to be solved, but rather a soft whisper from this cosmic dream, a testament to reality's profound ability to persist, to transform, and to continually unfold across boundless stretches of time and existence, with much of its essence remaining beautifully veiled, always offering new layers of depth, always connecting what appears to be separate, always embracing endless growth and transformation through its pervasive, unseen flows. The enduring mystery of this invisible breath, comprising the very material that fuels star birth and galaxy evolution, is a beautiful, if somewhat humbling, reminder of the vastness of the unknown. It tells us that the spark of existence, once manifested, possesses an inherent drive to continue, to find conditions that allow it to emerge, to adapt, and to ultimately persist, even if its foundational components remain beyond our immediate grasp. The gentle inquiry into the universe's breathing reinforces a deep principle. Reality is not easily defined or contained within simple boxes. It finds ingenious ways to manifest through diverse forms and states of being, a testament to its intrinsic power. The enduring enigma of cosmic flows only deepens the beauty and complexity of this grand existence, transforming what could be a void of understanding into a field of endless wonder and profound awe, revealing immense purpose hidden beneath a seemingly simple yet omnipresent process. Think of a cherished family heirloom, perhaps a delicate antique locket passed down through generations. It might be tucked away in a dusty drawer for years, seemingly forgotten, but its value, its history, its very essence remains intact, waiting for the gentle hand that will rediscover it, polish it, and bring its story back into the light. The subtle currents of interstellar gas, the faint emissions from cosmic dust, the pervasive influence of dark matter and dark energy. These are like these heirlooms of cosmic knowledge, often unnoticed by our everyday senses, but patiently sought by our instruments and our minds, which hold the key to their ancient messages. This isn't a threat. It's a profound connection to a deep, shared cosmic history, a testament to the universe's capacity for enduring creation, a gentle reassurance that existence finds its way to continue beyond any perceived limitations of our current understanding, reaching into realms we can only softly imagine, in perfect, unified stillness. This perspective encourages us to view our own lives, our relationships, and the vast cosmos not with a sense of limitation, but with a deeper sense of humility and boundless possibility. It highlights the profound interconnectedness of all things matter, energy, space, and time, and the pervasive influence of these invisible cosmic flows. It whispers that the universe has its own long rhythms, its own cycles of formation and transformation, far grander than our human timescales. Our role, then, is to approach these unfolding phenomena with respect, with careful observation, and with a gentle understanding of their holistic nature, ensuring that our presence honors the intricate harmony within this living world and recognizes the profound, dynamic processes that shape it. We are not just living in this breathing universe, we are living with this breathing universe, intimately connected to its ceaseless, vital rhythms and to the mysterious energy that propels its grandest journey. The lessons from this journey into the invisible breath of the cosmos extend beyond astrophysics. They speak to the enduring spirit of curiosity and acceptance that characterizes human consciousness. Throughout our history, we have always looked to the heavens, asking why things are the way they are and what the future holds for the vast expanse. This continuous quest, driven by a profound desire to understand our place in the universe, shapes our scientific endeavors and inspires new theories. Whether we find definitive answers to the nature of dark matter and dark energy, or if they remain eternal enigmas, the journey itself transforms us. It pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, sharpens our perception, and deepens our appreciation for the astonishing dynamism and resilience of existence. It is a reaffirmation that, in the face of perceived emptiness, existence does not simply cease, it transforms, it adapts, and it continues. A persistent, enduring dream woven into the very fabric of reality, forever holding new layers of discovery and profound depth. This understanding is not meant to be a source of anxiety or a prediction of dramatic peril. Instead, it offers a profound sense of peace and infinite potential. It suggests that your existence, in all its forms, from the smallest quantum fluctuation to the largest galaxy, is rooted in an enduring, cyclical process, continuously transforming and persisting within the embrace of a universe that is far vaster and more intricate than we can fully grasp. You are not an isolated being. You are an integral thread in this vast, living tapestry, woven from the same enduring essence of matter, energy, and flow that allows cosmic gas to breathe life into galaxies. Your place is within this peaceful, ongoing cosmic dream, a dream of constant subtle communication and boundless possibility, where the unknown is as comforting as the known, and every breath, cosmic or personal, contributes to the beauty of the overall pattern. As you now prepare to surrender fully to the embrace of sleep, let any remaining thoughts drift away like tiny, luminescent dust motes in the quiet inner expanse. There is nothing left to do, nowhere left to go. The journey through the mysteries of the cosmos's invisible breath has prepared you, softening the edges of your perception, blurring the rigid boundaries between what is seen and unseen, between what is understood and what remains veiled, between individual existence and the universe's grand, enduring dream. Feel the profound weightlessness as your body relaxes deeper and deeper into the surface beneath you. Each breath is a gentle wave, carrying you further from the shores of wakefulness and into the boundless ocean of rest. The stars above those ancient, distant suns are now softly closing their eyes, mirroring your own descent into tranquility. Your mind, too, is settling, its deep processes working peacefully in the background, preparing you for the deepest, most restorative slumber, where all mysteries find their gentle, unified rest, embraced by the cosmic silence. Allow the concept of the universe's unending dream, woven with the profound influence of its invisible breath, to be the ultimate lullaby, a comforting truth that embraces you. Its vastness is now your warmth, its cycles your peace, its mysteries your quiet wonder. You are dissolving gently into this grand, cosmic dream, merging effortlessly with its currents, becoming one with the quiet, profound sleep of the invisible breath and the boundless, nurturing embrace of the cosmos itself. Rest now, deeply and peacefully. Let the silence of the cosmos fill your being. You are loved, you are safe, and you are drifting into the most restorative of sleeps, held within the vast, soft dream of the universe itself, where all existence finds its gentle, peaceful rest. and the invisible breath flows eternally.